everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Here I am, the slob, ready for a new day at work. I'm finding it really hard to get motivated this week. I think it's like the second week of lockdown and it's just rubbish. Like, the weather's rubbish and I feel down because of my skin. You can kind of see it. I mean, I've got makeup on, but you can see all of this here and on my chin. And then this side as well. I've got quite a few like under the skin bumps which don't look as bad with makeup on because they don't have a head, but they're quite painful. And then a few sore bumps on here. So it's just rubbish. I mean, my makeup's getting less and less that I'm wearing. I'm only putting light on because I'm on Zoom. And then I literally look like blooming slob. But yeah, I'm just getting my cup of tea ready for starting work at 9 o'clock, which is in about 8 minutes. But I've already got like my computer set up and everything. But I just thought I would vlog today because me and Matt have got to go and collect our Tesco shop after work. And we're just going to get a McDonald's tonight. We haven't had one in like, I don't think we had one in December. Or, I mean, I think I've had like a hamburger, but we haven't had like a McDonald's meal where we've got like the full shabaki. And they've got the new Katsu curry chicken nuggets. So I really want to try them because I didn't try the festive menu. So I want to try that. And we kind of like limit ourselves to one takeaway a month. So this will probably be like our takeaway of January. I mean, we might get fish and chips at some point, but probably not. We're just trying to limit ourselves to getting stuff at the moment. So yeah, I thought I would take you along with me to try those later on. And yeah, I was kind of thinking like, I don't know whether to film like a morning routine, like working from home, because I know it's quite an old style of video to do now, but I don't know, I would kind of find it interesting to see what people do when they work from home, because I know my morning routine is like completely different to when I used to have to like actually go into work. So yeah, I thought, I don't know, I'll debate on it, but I need to start work now, so I will catch in with you probably later when we go and get McDonald's. So I forgot that I had a 30-minute huddle at work today, so we have like a daily like huddle with our team, but today is a wellbeing one, so we've got 30 minutes to go out and do whatever we want to enjoy. So I've decided, since it's the daytime, I'm actually going to come out and go for a walk. I've just reached a bit of an impasse though, there's a big puddle here. So yeah, I thought I would bring you out and vlog you. I know I said the next point would be McDonald's, but I might just film like a few little clips now, just because it's so beautiful where I live. We've got like a lovely woods and lovely walks around as well, so definitely the next time I see you will be McDonald's. Hello, we got to the McDonald's. So
I'm hungry.
I got a sweet chili chicken wrap. We got 9 Katsu curry chicken nuggets. And what else?
5 chicken selects.
5 chicken selects.
Oh, chips are everywhere.
And then we've got the chips each. This is mine. Did you get large?
Good.
Here you go.
Lovely stuff.
It's
Thank
all
you.
large. And then the nugs come with a sauce as well, but I'm just gonna eat my wrap.
Good bag.
And then when we have the nugs, I'll see you in a minute to see what the taste test is. Right, so now is the time of the taste test. We've got the sweet curry sauce, which comes with them, and the 9 nugs. Right, so, ooh, lordy dordy. Oh, they do smell like Katsu curry. Smell them.
What?
And they look like, yeah, this is what they look like. Right, do you want one?
Yep. What's the inside?
Ready? And chicken. And then, oh, I think we've got more than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 10!
Probably charged us.
Mmm.
Tastes like Waggers.
They're good. You like?
I do.
Yeah,
With a dip, I'll taste better as well.
So we'll get the dip out.
That would be a good idea. I've got to drive in this car tomorrow. It's going to absolutely humding, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is sweet chilli sauce.
No, this is sweet curry sauce.
Oh, lovely. Even better.
Mm.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Really good. Mmm. Mmm. Nicer with the sauce, I think. Do you?
Yeah. I think even with that sweet chilli or something, it would be pretty good.
Yeah, I agree.
But this is like the conventional dish, isn't it?
The what?
The conventional dish, you know, with the sauce on top.
Yeah.
That is the sauce.
Mm.
On top of the katsu curry.
Yeah.
What's it called? Where you're filming and people are eating?
Oh! Basically, we were watching James and Karis's mukbang video the other day, and Matt's never heard of it before. But this isn't a mukbang because we're not answering questions.
Ah, what's it called?
A mukbang or mukbang.
Where are we? McDonald's.
McDonald's! Yeah, we're not on... I
Get
do.
it? I'm
yeah.
funny.
Ha 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 ha.
Explain the joke,
Hee
please.
hee hee, ha ha ha.
Give me some creds.
Um,
My Instagram handle is @Matthew_.
but we're not answering any questions, are we? So.
No.
By the way, that's not a COVID cough. Oh, someone's just pulled up next to us. Well, a lot of people like pull up for Just Eat, haven't they?
Did somebody say just eat?
Just Eat.
Flipping heck.
Bloody hell.
People drive around here like...
They just drive so close. Oh god, I'm stuffed. You're gonna have to eat them last two.
Don't give them from me.
What?
I'm not going to drive.
Okay. Right. They were a success. And I've just got home and tucked myself up into bed. So I just thought I would end the vlog here, and thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I do apologise if it was a little bit shorter than normal. But yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to become part of the family before you leave today. And I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye!